Okay, today is Friday, May 1st, and we are going to do a phonics assessment. You're going to need a copy of this assessment page, so if you haven't already, please print out a copy of page 205. This page was not sent home with you. I kept all the assessments with me, so you'll need to print a copy of this paper before you start. If you haven't already done that, go ahead and pause the video and print a copy. Once you have the video, come on back. Once you have a copy of the paper, rather, come on back with your pencil and let's begin. Okay, so for the first section, what we're doing is we're choosing a special sound that you hear at the beginning of each word and writing it down. Okay, so they've given us a word bank here, or rather a choice bank with these blends, cr, gl, br, and gr. So we have to figure out which blend goes with which picture. So the first picture is a crib. So I'd look over here and figure out which one of these crib begins with, and I'd write the letters below the picture. Okay, the next picture is a glass. Again, I need to look at the blends they've given me and write down which blend glass begins with. Glass. Okay. For this second section, for number 2, I need to mark the vowels. Remember, if a word has 2 vowels, the first vowel will get a line over the top, and the second vowel will get marked out. If the word only has 1 vowel, the vowel will get the smile. And our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, sometimes Y. All right, so be sure that you mark these vowels correctly. For number 3, they want us to circle the special sounds. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to say each word and I'm going to tell you which sound to circle in each word. For the first word, rather, the word is smile. I need you to circle the letters that say sm in smile. Circle the blend that says sm in smile. For the next word, I need you to circle the sk, the 2 letters that say sk in skill. For the third word, I need you to circle the letters that say cr, cr in crock. I also need you to circle the letters that say k, k in crock. So we're circling 2 sets of sounds, cr and k. Okay? For this word, break, I need you to circle the letters that make the br sound, br. For frog, I need you to circle the letters that make the fr sound in frog. And finally, the last word is grin, and I need you to circle the letters that make the gr sound in grin. At the bottom, we're going to read the 2 sentences, and then we're going to figure out which word finishes the sentence best, okay? So you need to read both of these sentences and you need to figure out, I'm going to draw a line here, okay, between these 2. So these words down here go with this sentence and these words here go with this sentence. So you need to read both sentences. I'm not going to read them for you because I need you to read them on your own. Mark the vowels if you need to help you, and then choose the best word to go in. After you have finished your test, I need you to take a photo of it and send it to me. Thank you very much. Good luck. Do your best.